A warehouse operated by Ralph's and Food for Less is the site of a major COVID-19 outbreak, and tomorrow some of the employees are planning to file a lawsuit claiming management has known they're at risk and has failed to protect them. The NBC4 I-Team's Joel Grover started tracking outbreaks at supermarkets shortly after the pandemic began and has this development.
People who work inside this Ralph's and Food for Less distribution center say it's become a frightening hot zone for coronavirus infections. According to LA County's Public Health Department website, 106 workers have tested positive here for COVID-19. One of the supermarket warehouse workers who got sick is longtime employee Henry Ephraim.
It was total fear because it's, this kills people.
In May, Ephraim was rushed to the hospital where he spent 4 days. 2 weeks later, he was well enough to return to the warehouse. He says he gave management a list of about 20 coworkers he'd been in close contact with before he showed symptoms. He tells the I-Team the company did nothing with that information.
They should have just done what they told us that they were going to do, which is contact those people and let them know. Even if they're at work at that moment, they need to leave and they need to go get tested because they've been exposed.
Ephraim is now part of a class action lawsuit being filed against Ralph's and Food for Less, claiming management failed to take even the most basic precautions to protect the health and safety of their employees, leading to a severe COVID-19 outbreak at the distribution center and public spread of the virus among employees, their family members, and close contacts. The suit alleges that management repeatedly insisted that multiple COVID-19 infections were isolated incidents and that employees had to work under unhygienic and dangerous conditions with hand sanitizer bottles and machines frequently empty and spray bottles in short supply.
And there are 500 people working in the facility, and there's just a shortage of materials, protective materials, for the employees who work there, and not enough safety protocols to protect them from spreading the illness.
The I-Team reached out multiple times to Ralph's and Food for Less and parent company Kroger in Ohio for comment. We're still waiting for a reply. Henry Ephraim says he's still not seeing any safety measures being enforced consistently inside the center. But he says he does need a paycheck and has no choice but to keep working.
I don't go to work, my household crumbles. I do go to work, I'm risk getting this disease all over again. So it's like a catch-22 either way.
As the I-Team has been reporting, Ralph's has been dealing with outbreaks of COVID-19 among employees far beyond that Compton distribution center. Employees at more than 40 Ralph's stores have tested positive for the coronavirus, the biggest outbreak here at the Rock and Roll Ralph's in Hollywood. For the I-Team, I'm Joel Grover.